Hey guys, it's raining in California. I figured, you know what? It's a great day to do a video on how to use your windshield wipers. And you might say, oh, Chris, that's so easy. It's the thing, and you just do the thing. But people get into a new QX60 like this, and they're coming from a car with maybe not a lot of technology, and they're a little overwhelmed. So it doesn't hurt to have a quick video explaining how to do it. All of those features to do with your windshield wipers, front and rear, is to do with this stock right here. If you pull it towards you, it's going to include washer fluid and automatically try to clean your windshield. If you push it away from you, it's going to do the same to the rear window. Let's say you want to turn on your wipers just one time. All you're going to do is act like you're making a left turn, hold it up, and it's going to do just once. Someone in front of you used their washer fluid and it flew onto your windshield. You just want a quick clean, one up and done. This has automatic rain sensing wipers on the QX60. So all you're going to do to engage that is on the stock here, you're going to press it down one time. It feels like a good notch, and on your screen it's going to say auto. So now the wipers are set to auto. You should never have to worry about them. The only time you would not want auto is if you're going through like a car wash drive-through or something like that.
Oh, it might. Oh my goodness, it might.
So in that case, you're going to want to turn it off, and by doing that, you just bring it back up. It says off on your screen, and then you have nothing to worry about. If you want to control them yourself, you have two options, kind of slow and fast. And if you continue pressing, like pulling down, there's another notch. On your screen, it's going to have just a small solid line. And as you can see, they're continuing to move. Now, if you're in crazy conditions and you need it as fast as possible, you're going to go down one more. The square is bigger on your screen, and now they're really moving. You also have a wiper blade in your rear. And to control that, you just twist this little knob right here, and you have slow and you have fast. So everything you do here will correspond, if you have a Lux Century Autograph trim, onto the screen itself and let you know what you're doing. Let's talk wiper blades. How often do you need to replace them? We suggest every 6 to 12 months, depending on where you live and the conditions that you're using them. If you're the type that you don't like to get car washes, but the way you wash your windshield is using your wipers, you're probably going to need them every 6 months because you're putting them to use. If you're the type that, hey, I just use them when it's raining, which is, you know, maybe 20 times a year here in California, at least in Southern California, then, you know, maybe you can push for a whole year, but it also depends on the conditions, how hot it gets on your car, because all this is on our Infiniti branded, perfect for your brand new QX60 hybrid beam wiper blades. Did you like that, the sales pitch there? So these do cover the rubber. The reason why they're hybrid is, see, they have this nice little aerodynamic cover for them. That rubber gets exposed to a lot of sun. The rubber will harden and eventually crack, and then you'll know when you need your wiper blade. How do you know you need new wiper blades? Oh, that's easy. You know that sound it makes when it's scraping against your windshield? That's one reason. Is it causing streaks and not really cleaning it well or moving the water off? That's another reason. Is the rubber gone and scratching your windshield? Probably time to get some new blades. If you're here in Glendale, come see us. We'll hook you up with some Infiniti branded blades designed directly to replace the stock ones so that you can see and be safe on the road. If you guys have any other questions, obviously reach out, comment below, let me know. Do you have a wiper blade that you prefer over Infiniti's? Do you like the auto setting on your QX60? And do you ever use the rear windshield, I guess the rear glass wiper? It's funny because sometimes you'll see the people with like, they cover it with like the Arnold arm, so it looks like it's flexing, like pumping iron, Arnold. But yeah, guys, thanks again for watching, and see you next time.